sidearm talkative. Primary weapon.
Alright, Liam.
What?
What's happening? In celebration of my new camera, I'm just going to record some funny stuff here. Well, not funny, but I'm watching some funny videos on YouTube. They're so funny. I am so chuffed at this camera. I might actually need to turn on the light for this because it's well dark in here.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Does that hit? No, I don't. No, I've got one here.
Yes, it's a light, but I can still do this.
Oh!
That is so bright.
A rebel.
I know. Check all this out.
This isn't drink, it's cream soda.
It's cream soda. Anywho. Oh yeah, he tried this strange experiment where he mixed ginger beer, a very fiery ginger beer. Yeah, fiery ginger beer. He tried to mix that with cream soda and it's pretty
mean.
Yeah, it's very mean.
Don't use signal flares. Bandolier. Stopping power.
So pretty much I'm just learning the true basics of how to camcord someone. Because this is the first ever camcorder and it looks very nice.
It looks
very nice.
It was cold as ice in my own sacrifice.
Right. Look at this. It's a paparoche CD.
It's amazing.
It's a paparoche CD. Going once, going twice. The singer has changed quite a lot. He used to have very short hair.
He still does, kind of.
Yeah, but it was like very, very short.
Was it?
It was like your curly hair. Look, that's like now like very long, and that's
It's kind of curly.
It's very long, but yeah, he didn't straighten it this morning.
No.
Anyway, I want to see what I'm doing on here.
DB.
Yes, I've got YouTube. Well, DB.
Double barrel shotgun.
It's a DB. Whoa. And it's an Xbox.
There you go. That's why your class is sorted out.
Yeah, no, but see, I'm prestige jet. I'm so unchuffed. And it's a mute. It's muted. So what am I watching here?
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, I'm watching an abridged series. It's so funny. And I'm playing Super Shopping Cart
Are
Hero
you sure
2.
you can record that?
Yeah, it's already recording.
No, are you sure you can record the abridged series in just in case it's not copyright?
Nah. I would do that.
You might want to refresh the page.
I know. Someone is talking.
Me?
No, someone's talking on Thingamabobber. And also, it's also a wireless keyboard
And mouse.
and a mouse. And here is a bottle cap. We should stick some coke in here and then put a mental symbol. Just go pop pop.
Ha, here we go.
Jeff Dunham. Jeff Dunham's funny. It's not Jeff Dunham. It's Jeff Dunham. No, it's Jeff Dunham. It's Jeff Dunham. I want to see how well I can do this shopping cart. I'm gonna just stick this up here. Right.
You cheering.
Hurrah.
Picture plot.
Can I see it, man? Oh look, some dude got this like really floppy little space humper thing. It's filled with water and stuff. Can you squish it and it goes?
No.
Or does it just go and it goes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dunham.
Is that
Do you even know what the thing is?
what?
Do you even know what it is?
No, it's like kind of like bouncy like
Space
thing.
hopper.
I know.
It's
a midget space hopper.
It's a remake of Space Hopper.
It's a space hopper. I'm gonna turn this around a little. Turn this just a little bit.
Oh,
Just a little. Oh my god, it's zoomed in.
Oh, Dad.
Oh my god, it's zoomed in. Oh my god, it's zoomed in.
Oh my god.
I tend to do some funny stuff with this. I'm gonna see if I can do an awesome thing in Chocolate Car Hero 2.
Tottenham.
And I can't even continue, I'm sad. That's very upsetting. Oh yeah, I forgot, I'm getting my thingamabobber. I'm getting my laptop today, I'm shocked. God! Flip over! No, don't flip, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to flip. No. Yeah. That was a perfect score. 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 I'm leaving here for being a very good friend because he gave me the AA batteries and they were lost. The last of them.
Actually, no, I have another packet, but yeah, okay.
Yeah. Oh my god. See, when I get back to school, I'm going to ask Scott where my biggest AA batteries box is.
Scott Fraser?
Yeah.
He's a dick. Joke.
He's funny.
He's not that funny.
Well, I wouldn't call him funny. By the way, this is going off on YouTube, and if he finds out about this, he's going to be like, wow!
I was kidding. I said kidding, didn't I?
Yes, you did say kidding.
Exactly!
You said kidding like three times.
I said kidding to everything. I said...
Well, you didn't say kidding
That
to
was
that.
not kidding.
That was not funny.
Jeff Papa!
Jeff Papa. Jeff Papa.
I said joking to everything, though.
Jeff Jake to everything. If you say Jake, it means like you're Jake, but then you're aiming somebody.
Shut up.
Oh, shut up.
It just doesn't make sense.
Stop making it make any sense.
You're like, it's like Jeff Papa.
Right, okay, time to press OK. Then try to get some brim.
Ah, you pissed off, stupid pig. I do not like you no more.
Oh yeah, he's playing on my username.
Cheeky bastard.
Hey, you're playing on
Oh
my
yeah, I
username.
forgot your headshot.
Shrek it up. Come on, I'm going really slow today. Come on, I want to just get brim here. Go! And then...
Brim points. You get brim points, the Elliot. You only get brim points. Look at this, Elliot. Oh, he had martyrdom on. I got a recon thing there.
Oh! I need to clean up this mess.
What mess?
When I took a piss, it's like I need to clean up this. I need to clean up this mess that the dog did, even though you don't have a dog. No wait, I need to clean up. I need to clean up the mess that this dog did.
It's not even mine.
Imagine that, a little
Isaac
dog.
voices choke.
Isaac Bo Afro. Isaac Bo Afro.
Say what?
Isaac Bo's got a brim afro. It's big and fluffy. Like my dog. And like that girl's bush.
I got you another kill.
That needs work done to it.
No, freaking run. No! You bit the stupid shit! Joking, guys.
Joking! Cream soda.
Joking. Cream soda.
We shall rule the world. Tesco. God, I'm so chuffed that I got that camera. I was thinking better, but it's still a good camera. I should have been headshot.
I know.
I'm so sad. So
Oh
sad.
no! No, you're jumping into the shit abyss. I'm going to go kill you now. I'm going to go right to us and fuck you up this zibum.
Right, time to do this.
Jeff.
Jeff done. X don't give it to you. What? Wait for you to get it on your own. X gonna deliver to you that night. Open the door, thing, but the night,
I got the camper.
Go
got
hard,
it.
getting busy with it. Like I'm such a good heart, then oh! No! Oh my god, that was so sad. I only got 25.2 points. Sounds good. Like I'm such a good heart, then I'm every mother.
You camping little bum face. I'm going to kill you now.
Jump 4.
Man,
Are you ready to be effed up real bad? Oh sugar, I should have went quickly. Oh my god, I didn't even go that high.